The perfect home in the perfect neighborhood. It's all right here at Sunset Ridge in Alvarado, Texas. Our homes are amazing, and so is this community. Located off Highway 35W and 67, residents have easy access to surrounding communities like Burleson and Mansfield. Sunset Ridge showcases Bloomfield's classic series floor plans, ranging from 1,800 to over 4,200 square feet. And like every Bloomfield home, you get more luxury standard features at the base price than any other builder. Our model homes here in the community are the Caraway and the Cypress 2. The Cypress is available as a 1 or 2 story home with 4 bedrooms, a study or dining room, and an upstairs game room on the 2-story design. The Caraway offers over 2,500 square feet and a wide range of options, like a media room, guest suite, or formal dining. Create the perfect home with the layout that works for you. Our design centers are critical to the Bloomfield process, which allows you to personalize your home to fit your needs. And the location of Sunset Ridge couldn't be better. You're close to dining and shopping in nearby Burleson, Midlothian, and Mansfield. Not to mention, you're perfectly positioned to take advantage of both the DFW and Love Field airports. Downtown Fort Worth is just 30 minutes away, and you're 45 minutes from Dallas and Arlington. You can visit Six Flags Over Texas, AT&T Stadium and Globe Life Field, Alvarado Lake and Pirate Cove Water Park. Students in Sunset Ridge will attend Alvarado ISD, with all of the schools within minutes for an easy commute. Come visit any of our model homes and see why Bloomfield was named Builder of the Year.